Good morning, everybody. Today I will teach you the first chapter of value education, the Giant's Garden. So, here sharing things, some picture has given. So, here the motto or value of the chapter is sharing things with our siblings. Siblings means our brothers and sisters is so much fun. Do you share things with your siblings? Discuss in the class. Okay. Anybody, if you want to share or if you are sharing how funny, not only I am telling how amusing this experience. Oh, great. You can think it will be very nice for you. So, Didi, will you teach me to ride your new bicycle? Yes, of course. So, somebody is teaching. She's he sees his sister. The next, the Giant's Garden. You know, I think everybody you know the story. But what is the moral of the story? That also you know. So here, Giant's Garden, I am just reading the story. You will read from your book, and if you are having any problem, I will tell the word meaning also. Once there was a giant who lived in a big house. Just look, there is a giant's picture. He had a beautiful garden, but he never let anyone enter it. Whenever he was away, some children from the neighborhood would come into his garden to play. So he never let anyone enter it. So he was never allowing to anyone to enter his garden. Somewhere if he was away, then children from the neighborhood came and played. One day when Giant was not home, the children came to play as usual. When he returned, he saw the children playing happily in his garden. This made him very angry. He chased means follow, all the children away, then built a tall wall around the garden. The children could not climb the wall and enter the giant's garden. Without happy children in the garden, all the flowers died. The leaves curled up and became dry because there are no children, there is no happiness. No new flowers, leaves, or plants grew. In winter, snow fell and covered the whole garden. When spring came, everywhere trees grew new leaves and buds. Soon there were green leaves and beautiful flowers everywhere. Birds sang on the trees, bees buzzed around the flowers, animals played around the bushes. But it was still winter. It was still winter in the giant's garden. No leaves grew on the trees. There are no flowers and no birds. The giant got worried. Worried means very tensed. He wondered why the winter did not leave his garden. Then one morning, the giant heard a cuckoo singing. Amazed. Amazed means very much wondered. Surprised, he went out to see the cuckoo. He saw a few children playing in the garden. Then he noticed a tiny hole, tiny means small, very small, hole in his garden's high wall. The children had squeezed through it. Squeezed means just coming into this like this. When the happy shrinking, actually shrink and then come here. When the happy children played in the garden, winter ran away, taking all the snow and cold with it. Just winter has gone, taking away all the snow. Spring happily entered the giant's garden. Trees bloomed with new leaves and flowers. All the trees are full of flowers and leaves. Birds sang on the every tree. He could not even see small animals going happily about their business in the garden. The giant realized that he had been wrong. He had been selfish. So that is a selfish giant. He had not shared his beautiful garden. He had not shared the joy in his garden gave him with the children. From the day onwards, he let the children play in his garden. Sometimes when they are all having fun, the giant would sit and enjoy looking at them playing too. So sharing, you should share from this story, we know that we should share all our things with our friends, not only friends, siblings. So wherever, if we are sharing, we get joy from there. So here, this story, we are also getting this type of values. Like this, sharing. We should share with all our things happily. Okay, so values are like this. We should share our things happily. So this is the value of this story. And also you will underline the difficult words. Next day I will tell all the difficult words meaning to you. Okay, have a nice day. Bye bye.